Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a golden logo reveal animation in After Effects. No plugins, it's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 60 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to file and import trees image, drag and drop, and you can search it from or you can find it from Google. Press S and increase it like this. Then go to effects and presets and type offset, drag and drop, or double click. Go to first frame, keyframe, go to last frame, and I'll move the center here. Okay, and see. Again, I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type CC Reptile, double click or drag and drop, and I'll put this up. Then I'll go to repeat, I'll set repeat to unfold. Then I'll go to expand right and I'll increase it like this. And see here, it will move. Yeah, and see. Yeah. Go to effect, color correction, tint, and I go to amount to tint and I'll decrease it to 35 or around 35. Okay, also go to color correction and curves, RGB, and I'll add curve like this. And last thing, I'll go to blur and sharpen, blur, yeah, and fastbox blur. I'll change radius to 3, and that's all. Now I'll pre-compose tree and make sure that you are on move all attributes into the new composition. Then okay, or trees, maybe I'll name it trees effect. Okay, and okay, now I'll add my logo. I'll choose frozen, also from Google. Press S and I'll decrease it like this, and I'll pre-compose it. Okay, okay, yeah. Now again I'll go to trace effect and I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type CC globalize, global, yeah, double click or drag and drop. Then here I'll go here to layer and I'll choose frozen logo. Also softness, I'll change it to 12, or yeah, 12 will be good for me. Cutaway, change it to 9 or 7. Yeah, 7. Okay, also light, I'll choose here point light. Okay, okay, let me close frozen logo and see. So now I'll go to effect, color correction, and curves. Okay, now RGB, I'll add curve like this, also red one, also green. Okay, and blue, and see. Now I'll add a camera, hit OK, and I'll go 5 seconds forward, it will be good, and press P for position, and I'll change trees effect to 3D, it's very important, and keyframe here on camera, go to first frame, and now I'll increase the position like this. Also, I'll increase XY position like this. Okay, yeah, and now see. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.